Hey, welcome to Jones Garage. I'm going to change stuff up and cut this intro out and just get right to work. Start this week off, we're going to get this lower valance put on. This thing is in rough shape, that's fine. We'll still get it put on right now and then we'll fix it up later. So I'll be using 5/16 hardware. So I just want to get this thing set on here real quick, then I'll line it up after. Do not know how it's going to fit because I haven't tested this since I moved the grill all around and fenders adjusted everything. I'll just keep it loose. I'm not even going to tighten it up. This thing's definitely going to need some modifications and tweaking around. We'll know more once I get that bumper put on. I don't know if I'm going to do anything else differently with the bumper too, make it fit better. But overall, this fits pretty good, but it needs a lot of work. I also got this other headlight bucket finished up for this week. I didn't film any of it. It was in last week's episode. I'll put a link right here for last week's episode if you want to see how I modified these headlight buckets to fit the grill and that core. So I think this is going to wrap it up for season 1. I'm going to come back in about a month. It's going to be Ford Falcon Restoration Series season 2. I'll make a whole new playlist. I'm going to use all the data from these last 27 videos, see what you guys like, what you guys don't like. And if you could leave a comment and like this video, put a comment about what you guys would like to see in season 2. And if you want me to keep doing a weekly format, you want me to do a monthly format, or you want me to just drop videos, make a good video and it's interesting enough. It might be 1 a month, it might be 2 a month. Yeah, let me know. What do you guys think? So thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for sticking around for season 1. I learned a lot these last 27 episodes with video editing and all this stuff, so it's a lot easier to messing with the car and recording at the same time and talking on this microphone, talking to the camera. So thank you guys for sticking around and watching all this. But I'm gonna take about a month break, but it's not really a break because I'm still gonna be working and recording. I'm gonna try to make a better quality video for you guys. So thank you guys, and like this video. Let me know in the comments what you want to see. Thanks.
First update video.
We got 100 subscribers. This week I'll be making patch panel update number 4. This is week 5. Hey, this is update 6. This is update 7. Welcome to episode 8. Welcome back to Jones Garage. Welcome to Jones Garage. This is episode 22. Hey, welcome to Jones Garage. This is episode 25.